Hello everyone, I am Prerona and I'm a second year MBBS student at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS Deoghar, that is in Jharkhand. So AIIMS Deoghar is one of the newer AIIMS which has its first batch in 2019, and I am from the batch of MBBS 2022. So I'm the fourth batch of this college, and basically I am here to address some of the common issues which are faced by my juniors, and they keep asking me randomly to help them, guide them and suggest them. So I thought that if I'm helping few people, so why not just keep a video so that it can help the general masses, because these questions are really genuine, and even as a medical student I have faced these problems. I was kind of afraid to ask my seniors initially, and it depended on these kind of social media platforms. So yeah, kind of apprehensive and very excited. So let's begin this journey. I hope this will really help you, and I will try my best to give you the most genuine reviews, because as a medical student I know the importance of time and I would not like to waste a single minute of yours. So without wasting much time, let us delve into the essentials for first year. Now, before discussing the books in general, I want to give you one pro tip, that is you are all newbies to this field. So first of all, I will congratulate all of you for having cleared NEET and getting into the college of your dreams and pursuing your dream profession. So welcome to this field, and very warm congratulations. Now we have all come after clearing NEET UG, so that preparation phase has a lot of cramming information, so we are automatically in the habit of trying to read every single line like we did for NCRT. Every single line is important, every information is important, cramming up and trying to retain all stuff that we have read. But that is not how MBBS works. This is a bit different. You need to enjoy MBBS because it is a 5.5 years journey, and you cannot expect to remember every single information you read, because MBBS books are really vast. And the main thing you need here is the concept. Once you get the concept, you can approach your questions and your clinical scenarios. So the concept is main important, it is the baseline. Try to get your concepts clear. And as far as exams is concerned, you need to get some keywords, because that is what will fetch you marks. You need to write the keywords and then you can explain in your own words. You don't have to copy the exact bookish language to score. Yeah, first year is already emotionally very exhausting, coming to a new place, making new friends, settling down in your hostel, away from family, and dealing with the mess food and so on and so on. So of course you need to enjoy this journey and don't take it as a stress. So I welcome you all warmly to my channel. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll be discussing the books in the next video, where I'll be talking about the books for the first year in anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.